It's Bunny. Are you ready to laugh? Let's hop over to see Goatee.
Whoa, that cloud is soft as a marshmallow.
Goatee! Guess what? It's time for some jokes.
Yay, I love jokes. Are you ready to tell one?
Welcome to our joke stand. Who wants to hear a joke first?
I'll go first. Here's a joke. Why did the goat bring a ladder to the bar?
That's a great one, Goatee. Okay, my turn. What do you call a rabbit with fleas? Bugs Bunny.
Good one, Bunny. I have another. What do you call a goat that loves to sleep? A nap goat.
Let's spread more laughter. Want to try more jokes together?
Okay, everyone, let's start a giggle train.
Why did the chicken cross the playground? To get to the other slide.
That joke rocks. All right, how about this one? What kind of shoes do ninjas wear? Sneakers.
We've made a lot of laughter today. Are you all happy?
Remember, friends, jokes bring us together.
Thanks for joining our joke time today. Keep smiling and keep laughing.
Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.